First thing you need to know is the left hand is the past, right hand is the present and the future. It does not matter what handed you are. The left is always the past, the right is always the present and the future. Most of the work we do is on the right hand. The length of your fingers is your talents. Everyone has talents. No one gets cheated. So long fingers mean one thing, short fingers mean another thing. Now look down there in the lower right hand corner of your chart. The palm shapes is probably your most important talent. There's square, there's round, there's long, there's a mixture. You got kind of a squarish palm, kind of a rectangular palm. Very athletic and practical. You like to move around when you work. Oh, do you work a desk job? Let me see. Well, you probably do. Okay, upper right hand corner, fingertips. Type of fingertips, it's your personality. You got two different kinds. You've got two spatulate fingers. Intense, dramatic, energetic, adventuresome actors, actresses. Most of the actors and actresses have those spatulate fingers. And then three rounded, intuitive, quick, very compassionate. Should be in the health field. Okay, back down to the hand now. Go down to the thumb. We're going to do your talents and your fingers. That thumb is kind of long. Means you will do well in life. Good manual dexterity. You hold tools and instruments well and you work well with your hands. That Jupiter finger. Oh, let me explain the names on these. Palmistry is about 2,000 or 3,000 years old, and they had gone through and they named all the fingers and different areas of the palm. Most of the names they used were generally Greek gods or goddesses or astrological names. So that index finger is the Jupiter finger, the middle one's the Saturn, the ring finger is the Sun finger, sometimes called the Apollo finger, and the little finger is the Mercury finger. Then that section in between the heart and the headline going clear across the palm, that is called the Mars area. And right at the base of the palm, right at the base of the thumb, that little fat pad down there, that's called the Mount of Venus. Venus, goddess of love. Okay, let's go back up to the Jupiter finger, the index finger. That's a little bit short. Self-motivated worker, you work very well on your own. You don't have to have a manager or supervisor looking over your shoulder. Saturn fingers a little bit short. That needs to be about the length of the palm. A little bit short, concerned with social issues, very compassionate. Again, compassionate, caring about your fellow man. Oh, that sun finger's long. That's a good creative, imaginative, inventive, abstract thinker. That's a good finger, good long one. And that little finger's a little bit short, hands-on person, very active. Sitting at a desk doing paperwork is not your favorite thing to do. Okay, under that Mercury finger now. Oh, wait a minute, let me catch these two, this one little lucky sign right next to the Mercury finger, the little finger, where it says lucky sign, little triangle. You've got a lucky sign in your, let's see, that's in purple, it's probably in your lifeline, from age 31 to 34. Well, oh, you're 34 right now. Oh, you're right in the lucky period right now. That's just kind of a positive time in your life.